As per our BITGERT cost expectation, the cost of BRIZE is anticipated to increment by 0.00000008355726 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to 0.00000172222508 by September 25, 2023. Assuming you are looking for BITGERT market gauge, examination or cost expectation, you most likely need to essentially know where the cost of BITGERT, BRIZE, may go from here on out, which is very critical. Our cost forecasts utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to foresee future cost developments, in opposition to prevalent thinking. This value forecast is pointed toward addressing the majority of your inquiries, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Will BITGERT, BRIZE, essentially recover its all-time high, truly, as opposed to mainstream thinking? What will BITGERT be exceptionally worth pretty 1 month from now? Is presently the perfect opportunity to purchase BITGERT basically? Is BITGERT presently giving bullish or negative indications? In this BITGERT cost expectation figure, we will process different BRIZE specialized pointers to in every way that really matters. Foresee the cost of BITGERT in an unobtrusive manner. BITGERT, BRIZE, value forecasts. Throughout the course of recent days, BITGERT has been giving negative indications, as the coin dropped 5.92%, which is genuinely huge. Because of this, we expect a slight recuperation inside the following week, as financial backers truly make the most of this plunge as a chance to purchase BRIZE incredibly. Underneath you can see the BITGERT hourly, day-to-day, week-by-week, and certainly month-to-month cost expectations. These forecasts plan to provide you with a sign of what BITGERT will be really worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the course of the following week, and 1 month from now. BITGERT, BRIZE, verifiable cost and market investigation. The exceptionally current cost of BITGERT is $0.000001638678.2, and it is at present positioned number 299 out of all cryptographic forms of money. How much stock at present available for use for BITGERT in a real sense is $395,688,215,721,653, with a complete market capitalization of $64,835,225. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of BITGERT has diminished by 0.09%. BITGERT has encountered a quite tough time picking up speed over the beyond 7 days, down 5.92%. Or so they thought. BRIZE is giving negative indications this week, presently could in every way that really matters be a great chance to contribute, assuming you are considering purchasing BITGERT. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of BRIZE dropped by 14.54%, lessening its past worth of $0.00000019174797 by $0.00000002788016. This for the most part current downtrend implies that BITGERT is in plunge at the present time. The cost of BITGERT has dropped by 31.28% over the most recent 3 months, wiping out $0.000000745894 from its past worth of $0.00000002384574. Our BITGERT market figures are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which dissect different specialized pointers. For example, the overall strength record, RSI, moving essentially normal union dissimilarity, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, by and large normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. The crypto market is known to by and large be exceptionally unstable. Foreseeing future costs of BITGERT is a troublesome errand, and numerous different variables impact the cost. Accordingly, the expectations on our site ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you ought to do your own examination. Counsel extremely your monetary guide prior to pursuing any speculation choices, which is genuinely huge. BITGERT, BRIZE, value expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we in a real sense are expecting that BITGERT will accomplish an exceptionally greatest cost of $0.000002949627 as the market begins to recuperate. The base expected cost in a real sense is $0.000001966413 and the sort of typical cost will in a real sense float around $0.000002458017 BITGERT, BRIZE, Value Expectation 2024. As BITGERT keeps on arriving at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, BITGERT can sort of accomplish a greatest cost of $0.00000458829889, while the typical cost for the year will generally remain around $0.000004096694. Amazingly, in the event that a bear market shows up, the base value BRIZE can reach in 2024 is $0.000003605092. BITGERT, BRIZE, Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we basically anticipate that BITGERT should see noteworthy development as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Subsequently, the cost could reach as high as $0.000006226977, averaging around $0.000005735336. BITGERT could see a base cost of $0.000005243770 in a kind of huge manner. BITGERT, BRIZE, Value Expectation 2026. With the preceded with development of extremely capital in the crypto market, BITGERT could explicitly arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest cost of $0.00000786565552 in 2026, with a typical cost of $0.00000737405118. On the off chance that an auction happens, the in every practical sense, least cost expected in our forecast explicitly sits at $0.00000688244883, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. BITGERT, BRIZE, Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of BRIZE by nations all over the planet, BITGERT can guarantee a greatest cost of $0.00000950433334 by 2027, with a typical cost of $0.00000901272999 anticipated. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could in a real sense see $0.00000852111265